XRP Ripple is being gobbled up by a certain percentage of buyers out there. We're going to talk about this in this video. This is really interesting, and I have some interesting stats for you that I actually didn't know, and I learned something about this, and it just continues to impress me about the XRP community. Okay, as always, thank you for your support of the ClearCryptos channel. My name is Austin Hilton, and I also have my own YouTube channel here on YouTube. Where I cover crypto every single day. So if you're interested in that, you can look at my name right there below, right there. There you go, and you can go find me. And I cover crypto every day as well. But I also support the ClearCrypto YouTube channel by making content here as well, because I believe in fundamentally in what this company is doing to revolutionize crypto in a positive way. So find out more, links in the description below. All things about ClearCryptos. Okay, so look at this. Large XRP holders accumulate so much XRP that they set records. This grabbed my attention. Okay. So according to crypto analytics portal Sentiment, the wallets of major XRP holders have seen significant additions by the end of this year. Now, these are wallets who have positions in XRP ranging from 1 million to 10 million coins. Okay. All right. Here's an interesting, the numbers right here. The number of whale and shark addresses reached 1,617. So there's 1,617 wallets that hold that many XRP coins. The combined percentage of XRP held on them represents 7.23% of the token's circulating supply, which currently stands at 56.28 million XRP. Think about that. That's crazy. And so they've been adding, by the way, XRP, these large wallets have been adding as we speak, in the remainder of 2022. So this is a really interesting scenario to kind of see that. I think that the XRP community, if you will, holding community, has been adding to their position. And if you look at XRP, if you look at kind of this year, and let's take a look at this 1 year chart right here, you can see that that XRP moved down from its high right here around $1.99 down to kind of the current levels, which is around, again, 35 cents, 34 cents and change. Now, this massive move down here had nothing to do with XRP. This was an overall broad market move down that we had, where kind of all things in crypto went bad this year. We had major inflation, major, just turmoil. We had the Russia-Ukraine war. Obviously, we all know that Ripple is involved in a lawsuit with the SEC. We all know that. That's been here for a while. But also beyond that, XRP really consolidated very, very nicely. It consolidated means it just kind of goes sideways. And we're going to see this kind of tighter trading pattern, if you will, until we get some closure on this SEC lawsuit. But fundamentally, here's what the main story is that I personally know of a couple of whales who just continue to add to their position of XRP because they fundamentally believe that the SEC lawsuit is going to go XRP's way. Okay. And that the price of XRP is just going to skyrocket after that is announced, most likely probably in the first quarter of 2023. So what do you think? Drop in the comments below. Whales are buying, not hugely shocking. We'll see how the rest of this plays out. Thank you for your support. By the way, links in the description below to all things ClearCryptos. Go check them out. I'll see you.